Hello, dear friends. Take a quiet moment with me, won't you? Think about the start of your day. Perhaps the aroma of freshly brewed coffee, or the comforting warmth of a bowl of cereal. Breakfast. It's often more than just a meal. It's a cherished ritual, a comforting beginning to our day, setting the tone for the hours ahead. We want it to be nourishing, something that truly fuels us for the day's activities. But what if I told you that certain seemingly innocent, everyday breakfast habits, ingrained over decades, are actually working against your long-term health? What if these common choices, made almost unconsciously, are quietly contributing to energy crashes, blood sugar imbalances, muscle loss, and even increasing your risk of chronic diseases, making you feel sluggish and prematurely aging your body? This isn't about blaming ourselves or about advocating for radical, impossible changes to your beloved morning traditions. It's about gentle awareness, a compassionate look at how our breakfast choices profoundly impact our aging bodies. We're going to shine a light on 5 common, dangerous breakfast mistakes that seniors often make every single day. My aim here is not to criticize, but to empower you with intelligent, actionable insights. By the end of our conversation, you'll understand why these habits become particularly impactful as we age. More importantly, you will discover simple, practical, and truly transformative alternatives that you can easily incorporate into your morning routine, helping you optimize your health from the very first meal of the day. Your vitality, your independence, and your quality of life are priceless. Let's uncover these hidden breakfast pitfalls and transform your mornings into a powerful foundation for robust health. As we journey through our golden years, our bodies change, and so do our nutritional needs. What might have worked for us in our 20s or 30s may no longer be optimal. It's the daily accumulation of these seemingly small breakfast choices that can profoundly impact our energy, our long-term health, and how we feel. Let's explore 5 common breakfast mistakes that can be surprisingly detrimental to seniors. Mistake 1. Relying on refined carbs and sugary cereals. The blood sugar roller coaster. The first dangerous breakfast mistake is starting your day with highly refined carbohydrates and sugary cereals, often lacking in fiber and protein. This might seem convenient and tasty, but it can lead to a harmful blood sugar roller coaster. Let me tell you about George, a genial man in his late 70s from Yorkshire, England. Every morning, George enjoyed a large bowl of his favorite sweetened breakfast cereal with milk, followed by a piece of toast with jam. He found that by mid-morning, he would feel a sudden energy crash, intense hunger, and a craving for something sweet. He often attributed it to just needing his 11th snack. What George didn't realize was that foods high in refined sugar and low in fiber are rapidly digested. This causes a quick spike in blood sugar, followed by a rapid drop as your body overcompensates with insulin. This roller coaster effect leaves you feeling tired, hungry again, quickly irritable, and can contribute to insulin resistance over time, increasing the risk of type 2 diabetes. For George, simply swapping his sugary cereal for plain rolled oats with berries and a sprinkle of nuts, and choosing whole grain toast with avocado instead of jam, made a remarkable difference. His energy became stable, his mid-morning cravings diminished, and he felt more consistently satisfied. Fueling your body with slow-release energy is key to sustain vitality. Mistake 2. Insufficient protein, the silent muscle loss. Our second dangerous mistake is consistently eating breakfasts that are too low in protein. As we age, our bodies need more protein to maintain precious muscle mass. Consider Mary, a vibrant woman in her early 60s from California, USA. Mary was a creature of habit, and her breakfast was always just a piece of fruit and a cup of coffee. She noticed that she was gradually losing strength, felt weaker, and even simple tasks like carrying groceries seemed harder. She just thought it was age-related muscle decline. While age-related muscle loss, sarcopenia, is natural, it's significantly accelerated by insufficient protein intake, especially at breakfast. Our muscles constantly need amino acids, the building blocks of protein, to repair and rebuild. When your breakfast is mostly carbohydrates or fat without enough protein, you miss a crucial opportunity to stimulate muscle protein synthesis after an overnight fast. This can lead to a gradual, silent loss of muscle mass, affecting your strength, balance, and overall mobility. For Mary, Incorporating protein-rich options like Greek yogurt, eggs, or a protein smoothie with her fruit not only boosted her strength, but also kept her feeling full and energized until lunch. Prioritizing protein at breakfast is like giving your muscles the building blocks they desperately need. Mistake 3. Skipping breakfast entirely, the missed opportunity. The third dangerous mistake for some seniors is skipping breakfast altogether. While intermittent fasting has its benefits for some, for many older adults, skipping the first meal can be detrimental. Let's meet Frank, a retired accountant in his mid-70s from London, England. Frank was never a breakfast person, preferring to wait until mid-morning for his first meal. He often found himself feeling lightheaded, irritable, and unfocused during his morning activities. He also noticed that by the time he finally ate, he was ravenously hungry and tended to overeat. Skipping breakfast, especially if you've had a long overnight fast, means your body doesn't receive essential nutrients to kickstart metabolism and provide energy for the day. For seniors, this can lead to low blood sugar, hypoglycemia, which manifests as dizziness, weakness, and poor concentration. It can also lead to overeating later in the day, making healthy weight management more challenging. A balanced breakfast provides a steady release of energy, helps regulate blood sugar, and provides essential nutrients to support cognitive function and physical activity. Frank, recognizing his morning struggles, started with a simple, small breakfast, perhaps a hard-boiled egg and a few nuts, which gradually helped stabilize his energy and improve his morning focus. It's about seizing the opportunity to nourish your body and mind from the very beginning of your day. And while we're discussing these crucial steps to safeguard your precious vitality, if you're finding this information valuable, if it's sparking thoughts and reflections about your own daily habits, please take a moment to hit that like button. It truly helps us reach more people who need this vital information. And if you haven't already, consider subscribing to our channel and turning on those notification bells so you don't miss our future videos. We're building a community here dedicated to healthy, vibrant aging, and we'd love to hear from you. In the comments below, tell us, what's one small change you're considering making to your breakfast after hearing this so far? Your insights and experiences can help others in our community too. Mistake 4, not enough fiber, the gut health neglect. Our fourth dangerous breakfast mistake is consistently consuming breakfast that lacks sufficient dietary fiber. Fiber is absolutely crucial for digestive health, blood sugar control, and even heart health, especially as we age. Think of Arthur, a cheerful retired farmer in his mid-70s from Texas, USA. Arthur's breakfast was often white toast with butter and instant coffee. He struggled with chronic constipation and often felt bloated and uncomfortable. He tried various laxatives, but the problem persisted. Many common breakfast foods like white bread, pastries, and some cereals are low in fiber. Fiber, both soluble and insoluble, is essential for promoting regular bowel movements, preventing constipation, a very common issue for seniors, feeding beneficial gut bacteria, and helping to regulate blood sugar and cholesterol levels. Without enough fiber, your digestive system slows down, your gut microbiome struggles, and you miss out on crucial protective benefits. Arthur, after learning about the power of fiber, started adding chia seeds to his oatmeal, opting for whole grain bread, and incorporating berries and apples into his breakfast. Within weeks, his digestive issues significantly improved, and he felt lighter and more comfortable. Fiber is the unsung hero of a healthy gut and a vibrant body. Miss 5, overlooking healthy fats. The brain and heart miss out. Our fifth and final dangerous breakfast mistake is neglecting to include healthy fats in your morning meal. Fats are not the enemy. Healthy fats are vital for brain health, heart health, and satiety. Consider Susan, a vibrant retiree in her late 60s from the American Midwest. Susan was still wary of fats, opting for fat-free yogurt and avoiding things like avocados or nuts at breakfast. She found herself constantly hungry. Her skin felt dry, and she felt her memory wasn't as sharp as it could be. Healthy fats, like monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats, found in avocados, nuts, seeds, olive oil, are crucial for cell membrane integrity, hormone production, and nutrient absorption. For seniors, these fats are particularly important for brain health, supporting cognitive function, and potentially reducing the risk of cognitive decline. They also contribute to satiety, keeping you feeling full and satisfied, preventing overeating later in the day. Susan, realizing her fear of fat was outdated, started adding a quarter an avocado to her toast, sprinkling nuts and seeds on her yogurt, and even a drizzle of olive oil on her eggs. She noticed her skin felt more hydrated. She felt fuller for longer, and she felt a subtle but noticeable boost in her mental clarity. Healthy fats are the building blocks for a healthy brain and a satisfied body. Now that we've identified these common mistakes, let's talk about how to transform your breakfast into a powerhouse of nutrition. Prioritize protein. Aim for at least 20 to 30 grams of protein at breakfast. Think eggs, Greek yogurt, cottage cheese, protein powder in a smoothie, lean meats, or even legumes like black beans. Embrace complex carbs and fiber. Choose whole grains, oatmeal, whole wheat bread, fruits, and vegetables. These provide sustained energy and essential fiber. Include healthy fats. Add avocado, nuts, seeds, chia, flax, hemp, or a drizzle of olive oil. Hydrate smartly. Don't forget water or herbal tea alongside your meal. Listen to your body. Pay attention to how you feel after breakfast. Are you energized or crashing? Satisfied or hungry soon after? Adjust accordingly. These simple shifts will help you avoid the dangerous pitfalls and turn your breakfast into a powerful foundation for robust health, sustained energy, and a vibrant future. My dear friends, we've unmasked 5 common, dangerous breakfast mistakes that seniors often make every day. Rely on refined carbs, insufficient protein, skipping breakfast, neglecting fiber, and overlooking healthy fats. We've seen how these seemingly small choices can quietly contribute to energy crashes, blood sugar imbalances, muscle loss, digestive issues, and even cognitive decline, making you feel sluggish and prematurely aging your body. The beauty of this knowledge lies in its profound power to transform your daily experience. Breakfast isn't just a meal. It's an opportunity to actively fuel your body and mind for the day ahead. By making conscious, nourishing choices, prioritizing protein, embracing complex carbs and fiber, including healthy fats, and hydrating well, you can transform your mornings into a powerful foundation for robust health, sustained energy, and a truly vibrant future. Imagine greeting each day feeling genuinely refreshed, clear-headed, and ready to embrace life with renewed vigor. You deserve to feel energized. You deserve to nourish your body optimally. You deserve to live your golden years with vitality and independence. I encourage you to take that first step today. Reflect on your current breakfast habits. What's one specific, simple change you'll commit to making starting tomorrow? Perhaps adding an egg, a handful of berries, or a sprinkle of nuts to your usual meal. Please share your commitments and your insights in the comments below. Your proactive approach to better nutrition can inspire and guide others in our wonderful community. If this video has brought you new understanding and practical steps to optimize your mornings, please consider giving it a like. It truly helps us spread this vital message. And if you haven't already, subscribe to our channel and turn on those notification bells so you can continue to receive expert, compassionate advice for healthy aging. Share this video with a friend or loved one who could benefit from a breakfast transformation. Together, let's foster a community where every meal contributes to our vibrant, long lives. Thank you for joining me. Until next time, take good care and make every breakfast count.